Welcome to Choice Champions. The best mini toolkit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets you can own, offering a compact solution for a myriad of everyday tasks and unexpected emergencies, making it an essential companion for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates being prepared for whatever life throws their way, ensuring you're never caught off guard by a loose screw or a minor repair. Number 5. CARTMAN 39-piece household tool set. Introducing the CARTMAN 39-piece household tool set, your ultimate companion for tackling any home repair or DIY project. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to get the job done efficiently. From essential hammers and pliers to precise screwdrivers and a handy tape measure, this set covers all your basic repair needs. It's designed to be your go-to for furniture assembly, crafting, and everyday fixes. Crafted with durability in mind, each tool is heat-treated and chrome-plated to resist corrosion. You can rely on its sturdy construction for long-lasting performance. Keep everything neat and accessible with the included sturdy plastic toolbox. Its organized design ensures all your tools are securely stored and easy to find when you need them. This tool kit is designed for convenience. It's lightweight and features a carrying handle, making it incredibly portable for use anywhere, anytime. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This tool kit is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. It's a practical present that friends and family will truly appreciate. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive range of tools for various home repairs and DIY projects. Its sturdy construction ensures reliability, and the organized storage case makes it easy to find what you need. If you're looking for a versatile set for general household tasks and want everything in one place, this is a great choice. What people say. This mini toolkit is incredibly compact and fits easily into my backpack. The tools included are surprisingly versatile for their size, handling most small repairs effectively. I was impressed by the sturdy construction of each tool, they feel durable and well made. Number 4. 6 PCS Small Screwdriver Set. This set includes 6 different sizes, 2 Phillips and 4 flathead, perfect for your daily repairs. It's ideal for fixing watches, jewelry, glasses, and anything with small screws. Keep your tools organized with the included plastic storage boxes. They are conveniently packed, making them easy to have around the home. Experience comfortable handling with the ergonomic grip. The spinning end caps are designed to increase your speed and efficiency during use. These tools are built to last. They feature hardened, tempered, rust-proof steel blades and black oxide shafts for long-lasting performance. They are specially designed for intricate tasks. They work perfectly for eyeglass adjustments, watch maintenance, and jewelry repairs requiring small precision screws. What we like. This set is perfect for intricate tasks requiring small precision screws, like watch or eyeglass repairs. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, and the portable storage keeps them organized. If you frequently deal with delicate electronics or jewelry and need specialized tools, this mini screwdriver set is ideal. What people say. The mini toolkit is a great addition to my car. It has all the essential tools I need for minor repairs. I was impressed with the quality of the tools in the mini toolkit. They are sturdy and well made. The compact size of the mini toolkit makes it easy to store in my glove compartment. It doesn't take up much space. Number 3. DOWELL 9-piece home tool kit. Introducing the DOWELL 9-piece home tool kit, your go-to solution for everyday home maintenance. This set is designed for ease of use, making repairs around the house simple and efficient. Its ultra-compact size allows for convenient storage anywhere, in your car, travel bag, handbag, or a simple drawer. Take it with you wherever you go. Crafted from high-quality, heat-treated, chrome-plated steel, these tools are built to last and resist corrosion. The TPR ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip during use. Rest assured, all tools in this set meet or exceed ANSI standards, guaranteeing reliability and performance for any task. Everything is securely housed in a handy blow-molded case. It's incredibly small, making it easy to carry and store, fitting perfectly in any space. This versatile tool set is ideal for men, women, college students, and kids alike. It makes for a thoughtful and practical gift for any occasion. What we like. This toolkit is designed for ultimate portability and convenience, with an ultra-compact size that fits anywhere. It features durable, heat-treated steel tools with comfortable ergonomic handles. If you need a basic set for quick fixes in your car, travel bag, or just a small drawer, this is a highly convenient option. What people say. The Mini Toolkit is a compact and versatile set of tools, perfect for quick repairs and everyday tasks. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. The included screwdriver bits are high quality and fit snugly into screws, preventing stripping. Number 2. Hi-Spec Metric Auto Mechanic Tool Set. Introducing the Hi-Spec Metric Auto Mechanic Tool Set, your ultimate companion for all automotive repair needs. It's designed to handle a wide range of car, motorcycle, and RV repairs, making it perfect for both routine maintenance and emergency fixes. Experience faster repairs with our easy two-way turning 3/8 ratcheting wrench and a comprehensive set of metric sockets. Crafted from durable CRV steel, these tools are built for efficiency and longevity. Navigate tight engine spaces and tricky angles effortlessly. The included extension bars and universal joint allow you to access even the most hard-to-reach areas without any hassle. Gain a firm grip on any task with our versatile hand tools, including adjustable wrenches and pliers. Their non-slip grips ensure confident handling, providing the precision and control you need. Keep your tools organized and ready for action in a durable storage case. It's perfectly sized to fit in your trunk or under the seat, making it ideal for roadside assistance and on-the-go repairs. What we like. This is your go-to kit for automotive and motorcycle repairs, offering a comprehensive range of metric sockets and wrenches. The ratcheting wrench and extension bars help you access tight engine spaces with ease. If you're a car or bike enthusiast who needs a reliable set for roadside fixes or garage maintenance, this kit is essential. What people say. The Mini Toolkit is a great addition to my car. It has all the essential tools I need for minor repairs and adjustments. I was impressed with the quality of the tools in the Mini Toolkit. They are sturdy and well-made, and have held up well to frequent use. The compact size of the Mini Toolkit makes it easy to store in my glove compartment. It doesn't take up much space and is always readily available when I need it. Number 1. Hi-Spec 25PC Pink Household DIY Toolkit. Introducing a comprehensive 25-piece tool set, perfectly designed for household needs. It comes in a compact, book-sized case that's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for any home. Experience enhanced comfort and control with tools featuring soft, non-slip handles. This design reduces hand fatigue, allowing for easier use during longer tasks. Add a touch of style to your toolkit with this vibrant pink set. Its appealing design makes it a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who appreciates both function and fashion. This set includes all the essential tools you need for quick repairs and maintenance. Everything is organized in a sturdy case for immediate access whenever you need it. Built for new homeowners, beginners, and renters, this kit is perfect for light home repairs and basic DIY projects. The robust case ensures all your tools stay securely in place. This festive season, give the gift of practicality and cheer with this stylish tool set. It's a trusted choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts, making any project a joy. What we like. This stylish pink tool kit is perfect for beginners and those who appreciate a touch of style with their tools. It's compact, lightweight, and includes essential items for quick home repairs. If you're a new homeowner, student, or just looking for a practical and aesthetically pleasing starter kit, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Mini Toolkit is a compact and portable solution for basic repairs. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and the included tools are surprisingly versatile for their size. The design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.